Okay, well, welcome back. It's been a few years since I've done a YouTube video or an update. If you've been on my YouTube channel, you would have seen that I was halfway around Scotland, and then all of a sudden the tour just finished. Nothing happened untoward or anything like that. All it was the footage I was picking up was not the best. It was full of wind. I didn't have the camera on the right settings. I should have done more prep work before we went, but here we are. The long and short of that one is I didn't update it. I didn't finish the videos. They literally just got deleted and put in the bin. I've been to France since. Again, didn't take any footage. Riding on the continent, there was a group of us trying to get everything together. Just would have been a bit of a pain in the arse. So I've decided, right, from now on I'm going to make a conscious effort to make my videos and get them all out there for everyone. So today excuse me, today we are going to my mum and dad's to get my motorbike, and we're going to go out and have a little black, hopefully before the rain soaks us through, because it is forecast. Storm Dennis is still knocking around, I think, and Storm Juan, but hopefully we can get out and have a couple of hours and get some photos and some decent footage. I've played around with the microphone in the helmet as well, so hopefully that should reduce all the noise and wind noise and everything like that. Oh, so little boy's arrived, so being out on the bike has just had to take a back burner. He's now 2.5, so I'm allowed the odd day out on my bike, so hopefully you should get more regular footage from the bike. And we've moved house. This house has a garage, so we've got a builder coming in about 2 weeks time to make it all secure. New roof, new doors, alarm system on it, padlocks, chains everywhere for the bike, just to make sure the bike is 100% secure in the garage. And then we can get the bike from mum and dad's house over to my house, and then I've got all my motorbike stuff, all the camera equipment, everything I need to start doing it properly. So stick around, stay tuned. We're going to shoot through, go and get the bike from mum and dad's. Hopefully it'll start, and we're going to have a run out. Stay with us. Okay, alright, here we are. The factory starts now, so we're now out on the bike. We've got the bike from mum and dad's, and it started first time, so we're happy that we're out and about. Obviously the sat nav is clearly having a lie in this morning. The bike's been dead since September, October 2019. We are now, I don't think, in March 20. So jump started it the other day, everything was fine, but I think it needs a run out to put some juice into that sat nav battery. I think it's run absolutely flat as a dodo. So we're out, that's the main thing. So we're running on some lovely Pirelli Road Pilot 5s. Are they Pirelli? No? Michelin Road Pilot 5s. Get it right, Lego. Yeah, some Road Pilot 5s got fitted. I went to France last year, and when I came back it was down to some new rubber, so got the Road Pilot 5s. A bit pricey, but I had the Anarchy 3s on before that, and what a wasting time. Absolute wasting time. So hopefully these will see me through for a good few thousand anyway. And hopefully you can hear me alright, because I've spent all last night messing around, charging the batteries up, putting the microphone in like a little windsock, and then I actually slit open the padding inside the helmet, slid the microphone inside there, so you should be able to hear me hopefully okay. Right, so I've just had a little watch back of that video. You can hear me fine now, but as soon as I'm in the Nationals it gets very, very windy. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I've taped up the front of the helmet to stop the wind coming in. We've got a windsock on the microphone, and we've actually put it inside the chin piece, so I'm not too sure, other than me shouting when I get to on the windy sections. Maybe that could potentially be the only other option. So, oh well, let's go down here and see what's happening. Thank you. Sorry about that. That was my family coming out, my little boy. So here we are. This is the bit where I have to get on now without falling over. did that in France. That's priceless. Well, the pay booths, peages, and my dad came up on the left hand side. I thought, oh, I'll dismount like Baron Grumble does on the opposite side, fully laden up, and I rolled the bike. Absolute top tip. Got off to the right hand side, and as soon as I got over off, I thought, oh, the bike's following me here, and sure enough, the bike came with me. So big scramble to pick it up quickly, hoping no one saw, but you know, alright, everyone saw it. Right, here it is, the 1200 GSA 2016 model. I think it's 16? Yes, it's 16. Just a few of the followers that I follow, I should say, a few of the people I follow. Now I met Alberta, he flew over, he brought his bike, shipped it over from Miami. I smashed down to London, met him. We had a few beers that night, following day out round London, a few beers that night, and then the following morning took him down to Portsmouth, where he was getting a ferry the following day, and I obviously had to come back, work commitments, so it was one of them. It was just quite nice to catch up with him, to be perfectly honest with you. Recommend you get over there and definitely watch his channel. And as you can see at the moment, tide is on its way in sunny Southport. You can actually go all the way down the pier, and there's a, I don't know, young kids arcade, penny slot machines, all that kind of stuff. But it's quite a nice, pleasant walk. Bit windy, but nice, especially pushing the buggy, or as the Americans call it, the stroller. But yeah, let's get back on the road and see what's happening. So we jump back on the bike. As I say, Alberta, great guy. Get over to his channel, give him a watch, follow Outdoor Adventures. And if you like your steaks and your food, my god, that man can cook a meal. I'm hoping to get over there in the next year or two and take him up on one of his barbecues. If you're watching this, how are you doing, Alberta? Looks like the circus is in town. And heard on the news yesterday that Frankie and Bennett's is going bum. Whether that's true or not, don't know, but it was on the news, so it must be true. So I'm going to head further down here. I've got the big SLR camera with me, come to take some photos of it, and I've left the camera battery on charge in the kitchen. So 10 out of 10 for effort, 0 out of 10 for following through. Top tip. Just look at that. That's a view I never tire of. Over there is Blackpool Tower, and just a bit to the right of that is a place called Lytham St Anne's. So if you're in the northwest of England, details over there. Blackpool, just because everyone has to go to Blackpool, it's a rite of passage. But Lytham St Anne's, lovely little area, very picturesque. What we have here is Marine Lake, and if you've seen any of my Instagram posts, or anything like that, there's a pub on the other side of that little island over there. Go around and we'll see it, but you'll have seen that in a few of my videos, because I always try and make a conscious effort on my way home, crawl in there, get some photos, and have one nice cold bottle of beer. Right, so here we are, sneaky little Costa, and lovely caramel latte. Send a couple of text messages and then back out on the road. That's a little bit of the footage back. The microphone's been in the wrong place the whole time. So we've fannied around, moved the microphone to the inside of the padding, but nearer my mouth. So hopefully when it's a bit windy, we should be okay. Should be, but no, till we get going and get back. But not for the want of trying today. Oh. Come on.
driving a Prius. Come on, hurry up. Okay, here we go. Take, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've done a few takes, moved the mic around, spun it around, being back home, got the battery, big SLR, because I forgot that, because I'm a top tit. But, talking of top tits, here's one. Always give us a thank you. Oh no, you are just a fellow. So, taking a couple of photos of the bike on the driveway, looking quite nice. I'm thinking about going on a photography course just to try and get better photos. I enjoy taking photos, I enjoy the idea of a photograph, capturing that moment, things like that, so I'm all for that. And you know, my little boy growing up, I want to capture as many moments as possible, and if I can use it at the same time on the bike, then that's a win-win chicken dinner. I think I picked the wrong time to come out of this junction. Be surprised, I've got the auxiliary lights on here and they are like Blackpool illuminations, and the amount of people that stare at you or get annoyed because I've got the lights on. You know, yes they're bright, it's not as bright as a main beam light, but yes they're bright. But the fact that you're annoyed and have seen the lights means you've seen me, and that's all I'm bothered about. I want to get home and see my wife and child. I don't want you to hit me with your car and be like, oh yeah, I didn't see him. That's not good enough. Now you've got no excuse. I have like Blackpool illuminations when I'm coming up, and it does work well, and especially because I've got it on the CAN bus system. If you bang your hazards on, the light actually flickers, which is good. Well, we got international speed limits there, so just wanted to stretch its legs. So I knew you wouldn't be able to hear me in that wind anyway, so whew. These tyres are brilliant. I haven't scrubbed them in properly yet, but I feel full of confidence on them, and the road noise out of them, them Anarchy 3s, it's like a drum going off every time it's running. It's a pain in the arse. These seem a lot quieter. Alright, I know these are big bikes and they do make some noise when they're up and running, but the Anarchy 3s, didn't have confidence in them, and they were noisy buggers. Just not enjoyable to be riding on. I know some people like them. It's just for me, it wasn't for me. I hardly use my bike. I say I hardly use it. Due to circumstances, I haven't used it. I'm trying to make a change to that. Make a conscious effort of every weekend, get out, get on it, and make some more videos for you guys. But I'm hoping that these tyres will be fantastic for touring. People are saying they're getting like 10,000 plus out of a rear tyre. Well, that'd be phenomenal. You know, most of the time when I ride the bike, I'm touring, so it's fully laden, it's fully geared up. So it's if I can get 10,000 out of a tyre, that'll do me nicely. That's like 2 tours. Sound like a season pro. I've not done that, but I've done Scotland a few times. France last year, Scotland again this year. But I am wanting to go over and do the Alps and all around there, all the Furka Pass. You know, we'll avoid that traffic. it's going into land. That looks like someone's a bit poorly, and that's going into land. Sorry if the sun's in your eyes. Absolutely wow. Wow, wow, wow. Absolutely fantastic. I hope whoever it is okay.